Do you want to know how to download DuckDuckGo app on your MacBook? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and look for your preferred web browser and tap on the search bar. Now go ahead and type in download DuckDuckGo and tap on enter. Now you'll see under the results download DuckDuckGo for Windows, Mac, iOS and Android. Tap on that browser, then select download DuckDuckGo for Mac. Now, in couple seconds on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this small download icon. Just tap on it. Now, select the folder icon right beside the writings there. Once you do that, on your screen, you're gonna see this install or that display picture. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is drag this DuckDuckGo icon into applications. Now, in couple minutes, you'll be able to use DuckDuckGo on your Mac. And guys, that's it. That's how you install or download DuckDuckGo on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.